STRATOS bin. I'm hoping I'm going to be opening it right parcel. I'm hoping it's something to do with Enfield anyway. Well, let's have a look, guys. See what little surprise we've got. Could be good, or it could be something I don't want you to see. So look. What I thought it was. STRATOS chain tensioner kit. Now, I've had a air filter off these guys before, which is just same as your K&N, your whatever they're all saying. But this, I haven't really seen anybody else have them as yet. So let's have a look and see what we get in the box. Well, that's nice. Even get some thread lock with it, which I could do with. But what these are, lads and lasses, let's get rid of some crap, is I'm not doing them all because I'm not fixing them as yet, but I'll give you an idea of what it is anyway. If I can get into the damn things. There we go. Right then, there we go. These are your chain tensioner kits. Instead of just having a bit of black plastic and them awful threaded screws what come out. I mean, I've put some tech part, well, they're not actually tech parts, I just got them off eBay, just some 8mm bar connectors just to cover the threads up, because I thought they looked absolutely awful. Now these beauties, all aluminium, is going to be my new chain tensioners, which have got all the markings so you can get your chain absolutely spot on. Then, if you can see that, it does come engraved with STRATOS, well, SP, which stands for STRATOS Performance. Now, I'm not doing these today, guys. This was just an unboxing. Like I said, Postman's just been, and I got a little bit giddy, but I think they're going to look lovely then. Now, they're supplied with the bolts, which are torque heads. Now that could be a problem for some people if you haven't got a torque bit set, but the good thing about it is they even supply you with torque head as well. That's brilliant, that. There's not many places where they'll actually send you stuff like that. I mean, you get your thread lock, you get the actual piece that you need to be able to tighten the bolts up to adjust your chain. That's brilliant, that. Absolutely brilliant. And possibly, when I get round to doing them, I might show you how to do it. But it's going to be a back wheel off job. Because obviously, the actual main wheel spindle goes straight through here to be able to adjust your chain backwards and forwards. So it is going to be a wheel off job, but it's only bolts at the end of the day. It's only bolts. You just undo them and tighten them back up again. That's all it is. So just thought I'd let you have a little look at that. Like I said, thank you very much, STRATOS.